Delicate pumpkin spaghetti. Cut the top of the pumpkin. Cut the pumpkin into quarters and a semicircle. Remove the core of the pumpkin seeds. Put the pumpkin in the steam oven. Steam 100 degree for 35 minutes. While waiting for the pumpkin to be steamed, we cook spaghetti. Pumpkin is cooked, soft and full of water. Then we spoon the pumpkin. Be careful not to scratch the bottom. Ready to season the pumpkin puree. Put some cream in the pumpkin puree. About 4 tablespoons. Add some garlic salt. Add some pepper. Add some parsley.
So lean on me whenever you have to.
Then mix them up.
Dearest friend, I love you more than I can. I see stars in your eyes. I see stars in your eyes. I see stars in your eyes, baby.
Then add some cheese. Parmesan cheese is generally used in Italian dishes, and it is easy to achieve the effect of cheese drawing. Mix them up. Delicious pumpkin puree, seasoning finished. Put the cooked pasta on a plate. Then cook the shrimp. Put olive oil into the hot pan. Add some pepper. Look delicious. Put spaghetti in the hot pan. Add pumpkin puree to spaghetti. Mix them well. Then add some butter. Cook a little more. The cheese has a drawing effect. Put some parsley. Spaghetti is full of cheesy flavor and looks good. Carefully put the spaghetti into the pumpkin. The steamed pumpkin skin is very soft, and it is easy to damage its shape if it is not placed properly.
Throw the daft into arch day.
Slowly put the spaghetti out of the pumpkin. Put wash salad. Put cooked shrimp. Cut the top of the pumpkin a little more round.
I wanna touch everything. I wanna get a kiss from myself.
Then put it on dish.
I wanna touch everyone.
Put on pansy flowers.
And told me
Pansy is a flower commonly used in Italian salads and is edible. Add some yellow pansy. Then add some mustard dressing. Shape the sauce with spoons and tongs.
I wanna touch everything.
Edible gold can be bought on eBay. It is often used for cake decoration. This is about $19 US and can be slowly used for a long time. The elegant pumpkin dish is finished. Try it for your lover during the pumpkin season. Please like and share our new channel, A Poor Simple Cooking Gert. Letties make beautiful and affordable dishes.